Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be showing you how to make apple crisp. Apple crisp is a wonderful dessert that you can eat any time of the year, and today I'm going to show you how to make it in about 30 minutes or less. So let's get started by preheating the oven to 375 degrees, and then let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this apple crisp we are going to need 4 cups of peeled and sliced apples, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of oats, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. First we're going to take our apples, add in our lemon juice, and just toss that around, get the lemon juice coated on each slice of apple evenly. Just like so. Transfer this over to our baking dish and go right in. Press it down firmly. Then we're going to work on the dry ingredients. Now we're going to take all of our dry ingredients, oats, brown sugar, flour, salt, and cinnamon, and just mix this up till well incorporated. I had to transfer bowls because I picked too small of one. Now when it's well combined like so, we're going to drizzle in our butter, get this mixed up so it's nice and crumbly. I'm going in with my hands. Just like that. And that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to top the apple crisp. Now we're going to take our crumble topping and just press it out until a nice even layer. Just like so. Get it to the edge. It's alright if you get some apples sticking up through. Those ones will get nice and brown. Those are the ones I actually really prefer. Just like so. Now we're going into the 375 degree oven for 30 minutes. And after 30 short minutes, our apple crisp is done. Now we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes because you do not want to burn your mouth because then you can't taste it. So I'm going to let this cool down, come back in a few seconds for you, and we're going to plate this up. Now I'm going to plate this up for everybody in the house. You can do the same if you want, it's up to you. Just layer this in, just like so. We're gonna add a scoop of vanilla ice cream there on top, a drizzle of caramel, and there you have it. Let's dig in. Alright, let's dig in. Get a little bit of that ice cream in the bite, some apple, some of the topping. It's really good. The apples are nice and warm, they're soft. You get the crunchiness from the topping, the velvetiness from the ice cream, the caramel. It's really good, guys. Try this recipe. 30 minutes or less, you can have yourself a real good apple crisp. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.